For a long time, compression has been used in the medical industry, but about 15 years ago, compression surged into popularity among athletes in the form of compression socks. Ever since then, you cannot go to a race and not find tons of athletes wearing knee-high neon socks to complement their otherwise pretty skimpy outfits. Now, the research on these compression socks is rather mixed. There's a lot of research studies that claim that it increases blood circulation and therefore bringing oxygen to the working muscles. And there's other research that says it is completely a placebo effect. Now, this research is combined with the fact that there could be some negatives to wearing compression as well. For example, the body is very good at healing. And when we allow it to heal properly, what happens is your body learns how to heal better and you get stronger from that healing process. So when you do things that stunt this, like taking Advil or some other type of anti-inflammatory, taking ice baths, using technology such as Normatec, or putting on recovery socks, it could very well be stunting your body's ability to heal on itself and stunting the performance gains that come from that. So what should you do? There are certainly some times when I recommend wearing compression, but it's probably not as often as you would think. One of these times is when you have back-to-back hard training sessions or back-to-back hard races. The benefits of compression would far outweigh the possible negative risk of your body not being able to heal in itself, because we need to recover quickly. The second time when I would highly recommend wearing compression is when you're dealing with any kind of injury, especially in the legs, calves, Achilles, hamstring, quadricep. With this, I would recommend wearing compression in the evenings when you are sleeping, as well as during the hard training session. But I would leave them off during other times and allow your body to just heal naturally. Third time I would wear compression is if you are traveling by air to an important race. Blood circulation is very low on airplanes, and so wearing compression can help facilitate this. In addition, I would sit on the aisle and make sure you stand up and walk around as much as possible. And then the last time that I would really wear compression is if you deal frequently with any kind of pulls or muscle strains, that you would want to wear compression during the colder months, especially if you're doing any kind of harder workout to increase blood flow to those working muscles. So I hope this gives you an idea of how to use compression intelligently. Now, even though the research is fairly mixed out there, I think we should err on the side of caution and go ahead and use it, because it probably has some benefit, even though using it too much could lead to some negative effects. And at the very least, you're probably getting some placebo effect out of it and benefiting in that way from a mental perspective.